everything that could go wrong today has literally went wrong. I mean, from the storage, I cut my hair. Where is it at? Where's the hair? I don't know. That's not the point. Hello, Mystery Gang, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to the MysteryMarie channel. So if you guys are new here, I am MysteryMarie, and if you are a subscriber, shout out to my set. Thank y'all so much. I really do appreciate it. So as you can tell by the title, we will be doing a wig install. I also dyed the hair color, but I wasn't able to get that on video. Like, when I tell y'all, today has been super long. I have been doing this video since literally about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Like, it's just been a long day. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Also, let me know what y'all think of the color, because like I said, it's been a long day. This is not what I intended for the wig to come out looking like, but this is what we came to. So I hope y'all guys like it. Comment down below if you guys like it, if you're not feeling it. Make sure that you watch until the end of the video, because you do not want to miss the chaos. And also make sure that you hit that like button, that notification bell, so that you are notified for what's to come, because I will be seeing you guys very, very soon. What's up, Mystery Gang? It's your girl, MysteryMarie. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this wig install video. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and pull your hair back. Most people like to braid it, but I'm being lazy, so I'm just going to make a braid, and I'm going to tuck that right underneath the hair cap. So now, if God bless you with a big head like me, you want to put that wig cap on, but stretch it out as far as possible. And I'm going to be pulling it right below my ears, because I'll also be making 2 slits right there as well. So next, I'll be using a combination of my Gots to Be styling gel, and then I'll follow up with the hairspray. And I like to rub it in to make sure that I'm hitting ear to ear, and then also follow up with the hairspray just to make sure that it adheres, because for some reason these hair caps do not be wanting to stick, so that's just the extra security. I'm just like, you wanna see some cash? So now that we look like a bank robber, we're gonna go in and just cut this all the way. And you want to form it to your head shape, so you want to just move around all those little dips and curves, the natural dips and curves of your hairline. And then, unless you got a 360, you want to cut that off. Oh, I thought I cut some hair. Okay, I didn't cut no hair. I did cut some hair.
I cut my hair. Oh my god. I guess I needed to cut my ears. I guess that was just the way to tell me.
So without cutting any more of my hair off, I'm just going to go in and cut the remaining of the hair cap away. Okay, so now this is how we're going to get the ball look. So we're going to take our foundation. It doesn't matter if it's powder or if you're using liquid. You want to rub it in right across your hairline, and then I like to just take mine back as far as where my part will lay. But of course, it depends on what type of wig you're wearing and also to your liking. All right, now time to get this wig fried, dyed, and laid to the side. So I'm going in with my bow hoe, and I'm just going to make small dots right around my hairline. So you want to rub that in very lightly, so that it hits not only right outside of your hairline, but also on top of the hair cap. And make sure that it's a thin layer, because the thicker the layer, the longer it could take to dry. And then what I've learned is sometimes it doesn't even dry all the way, and when you get ready to lay your wig, you can definitely see the portion that's not dry. So just take your time on this part. It'll work out in the end. So another tip is before you put on the second layer, you want to make sure that the first layer is completely dry and clear, and then you can go in with your second or third. So now this is the most important step, because this is the foundation of the wig. So you want to make sure that you take your time with laying this directly where it's supposed to be. Start off by gently laying it right on top of the glue, and then you can follow up by pressing down with your finger or a comb and making sure that the lace is sticking to all of the glue that you laid down. And then for additional security, you can take an elastic band or any type of silk scarf, works best for me, and you can place it directly around the lace also. So this is beneficial to make sure that the glue, of course, is sticking to all of the lace, but also when we get ready to style our hair, we'll be pulling at the wig as we're styling it. So just to make sure none of it's coming up, that adds that extra barrier. And just like any other hair extension, whether it's a quick weave or a sew-in, you want your hair to look as natural as possible. And your wig is no exception. So you definitely want to follow up with a hot comb and flat iron those same areas to get that area as flat as possible, especially right around the part. And then I also like to go right where my edges will lay so that it all looks like it's growing right out of my scalp. So then I'm going to go ahead and get my little baby hairs pulled out. And then also I'm going to pull my tweezer out so that I can pluck any additional hairs just to make it look a little bit more natural. So now I'm going to start molding my hair to the way that I want it to lay. So I'm going to put that right around the part. And then also I'm going to put a little bit on my edges so we can slick all that back because that's the look I'll be going for. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all in on a tip on how I get my baby hairs to lay, and this just always works best for me. So I'll go in with a little bit of mousse just to set the foundation, and then I'll follow up with my Gots to Be hairspray so that the hair can harden. And then after that, I'll go back in and kind of play around with them a little bit more. For whatever reason, whenever I just do only mousse, the whole wig be lifting by the end of the baby hair. So this works best for me, and maybe it'll help somebody else out as well. So now I'm going to go in and officially cut off the rest of my baby hairs, and there's no real science to it. You can just cut it however you like it. I mean, the shorter, the more natural it looks, but it just depends on the style that you're going for. And I'm telling you guys, when it comes to the baby hairs, do not be discouraged. It still takes me a while to get the style that I'm looking for. But when I first started, oh my God, if Hot Mess was a person, listen, that's why I say do not be discouraged. It'll eventually come to you. Just play around with it, see what works for you, and you'll eventually get it. So now I got everything fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Now I'm just going to go in and start styling it. Some people like to put on their elastic so that, again, the wig does not lift while you're styling it. But it was on there pretty sturdy, so I was fine. I just went in and started curling. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my video, Mystery Gang. That's all I have for you guys today. So make sure that you like, share, and comment down below. See you soon.